Firm, your defending champion of the 10,000-pound Super Firm class. Rich Kuchner out of Pangor on its ride.